Okay, today I'm going to talk about the instructions and kind of what you need to be thinking about when you are trying to do the potential and kinetic energy assignment. If we read the directions, it says think of a person standing still at the end of a diving board getting ready to make a jump into the pool. When the diver's ready, the diver will make three small jumps on the diving board and then dive into the water. Diagram each jump and the dive. Describe each part of the diagram by identifying the parts of the diagram. Where is the amount of potential energy increasing? Where is the amount of potential energy decreasing and the amount of potential energy increasing? Where are the points of maximum kinetic energy and where are the points of maximum potential energy? Okay, so the first thing you really need to do is put together a diagram. Over here, I've stolen one off of the internet that will allow me to kind of do what I need to do. So here would be the beginning of our first jump. Here we have our first jump, landing, second jump, then third jump in. So basically here's our first jump. Boom, up, down, back up, down, back up again. Okay, so if I were to look at this diagram, where, looking at the questions, where's the amount of potential energy increasing? Well, think about what potential energy is. In this case, you need to really realize that there are actually 2 points of potential energy being stored. One, gravitationally as they move up, and two, as the board bends and moves down. That is what we call elastic potential energy. So that energy gets stored by the bending of the board itself. So we can have potential energy here, and that's what we're basically using. That's why people do the run up, step, land, because they're building potential energy and then they jump again, and that increases their height of their dive. So what we need to do is label where the potential energy is increasing. Well, we could say it's increasing here because the board's going down. We can say it's increasing here because now we have vertical lift. That's gravitational potential energy. Again, here would be storing potential energy. And then obviously here, we are going to be dealing with probably a maximum amount of potential energy because we've gotten to our maximum height there. So that's probably where we would want to label our maximum potential energy point. I'm going to go ahead and leave the rest of these up to you, but I've kind of given you a little bit of an idea of how to go about doing that. And please, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. You have a wonderful day. Thank you.